Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows 11 startup problems. I will show you all the methods you can try to fix your issue. So let's get started. First you can check your power and hardware connection like battery and your wiring connection, and if you connected any external devices like USB drives, you can remove those things. Then after you can force shutdown and restart. Hold down the power button for 10 seconds, then after it will be forced shutdown. Wait for a few seconds and then after turn it back on. So then after you have to enter the Windows recovery environment. To do that you have to force shutdown and restart your computer at least 3 times. Once you done that, you will be able to enter the Windows recovery environment. Once you are come to that, select troubleshoot option, then after go to advanced options and again go to startup setting and tap on restart. Then Windows will attempt to diagnose and fix startup problems automatically. Then after you have to enter the safe mode if previous method is not working. Again you have to come to the Windows recovery environment, go to troubleshoot, advanced option, startup setting and restart. Once you are restart your computer, you will be able to find list of options. In that list you need to press F4 or 4 key in your keyboard. Once it is done, you will be able to come to the safe mode. So in the safe mode you can try to uninstall latest Windows updates and latest software updates kind of things, because it is same as this graphical user interface screen. So you can manually go to and uninstall one by one. Other than that, you can try to check your RAM card, graphic card, clean those things and try to fix it, reset again. Once it is done and you are in the safe mode, you can go to search bar, search for command prompt like this, right click on it, tap on run as administrator. Now you need to type sfc /scan now and hit enter. Once it is done, you need to again type dism /online /clean up -image /restore health and hit enter. This will fix corrupted system files and it will fix the issues. You can do same thing not in the safe mode but also in the Windows recovery environment also. There is option called command prompt. You can tap on that one and do the same thing in there. Once this is completed, again you can type chkdsk select your drive. It is normally C drive that boot files are included, /f/r/x and hit enter. This will check and repair the disk errors. Again you can type bootrec /fix mbr, hit enter. Once it is done, again type bootrec /fix boot, hit enter. Once it is done, again type bootrec /scan os, hit enter. Finally bootrec /rebuild bcd and hit enter. This will fix boot sector and BCD issues that block the startup. And again, once you are in the Windows recovery environment, you can come to the troubleshoot option, then after advanced option, and there is another option called uninstall updates. So you can tap on that one. Then after you can uninstall latest Windows updates. You can see those latest update there. You can uninstall by manually. And if you have system restore file in the previous working state, you can restore the system by just go to again troubleshoot and advanced option. In this time you need to go to system restore, not the startup setting. You need to go to system restore. Then it will be show is there any system restore file in your system. You can restore to that point. As a final step, you can again come to the Windows recovery environment, then after go to troubleshoot, and in this time you can choose reset this PC option. So that will reset your computer into the factory default mode. So these are the methods you can try to fix your Windows 11 startup problems. And if none of these methods working, you have to show your computer into the computer technician, because that will be hardware related issue. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.